We're in the similar figures and scale drawings activity 1, and we are looking at the first slide. So you're going to be dragging these into the corresponding true or false. I'm not going to drag them, so it depends on how well you are listening. So it says triangle A, B, and C is similar to triangle MNO. So similar means they may or may not be exactly the same. Congruent means they are exactly the same. If something has a scale factor, it's usually a similar triangle instead of a congruent triangle. So we're going to go through and we're going to, again, list which ones are true and which ones are false. So angle C corresponds with angle M. C and M. Well, maybe, I don't know. So what you would then do is you would look at how the triangles are named. A, B, C, M, N, O. So the first angle should line up with this first angle. So A and M, B and N, C and O. In this case, C does not line up with M. M is the first letter in this triangle, and C is the last letter in this triangle. We also know that because if we were to flip this triangle, N would be on top, and C would correspond with O because O would be on this side. So C with M is a big fat no. Line BC corresponds with line NO. BC and O. Yeah, they're in the same exact spot, so BC and NO. And again, if you were to flip the triangle, N would be up here, O would be over here, so no BC. So this is a yes, it is true. AB over MN equals NO over BC. So if we were to take line AB and divide it by MN, do those correspond? Yep, AB and MN, AB and MN. It's the same factor as NO, which is right here, no, to BC. Yep, NO, BC. Since these are both corresponding scales, that is a true. O corresponds with B, so they're in the same area. A, B is second. M, N, O, nope, they are not in the same spot. If I were to flip this over, B is not in the same area as O, so this is a false. Line AC corresponds with MO. A, C. A and C are the last ones. M, O, those are the last ones. Yep, so this is true. A, C, this got flipped around. M, O, yes, this is true. BC corresponds with AC. B, C, C, A. Wait, those are all in the same triangle. If they're on the same triangle, I can't get a scale factor out of them, so this is a false. Angle B corresponds with angle N. B and N are in the same spot when the triangles are named. And if I were to flip the triangle N around, B and N would be both on top. They are both a bigger angle, so yep, B does correspond with angle N. So we drag that down to true. Yeah, your cupcake. And last one, AB corresponds with MO. AB, MN. Not quite in the triangle's names. Let's see if it corresponds when the triangles are flipped. So, AB is, AB is right here. Flip this around. So N, boop, M, boop, and O is over here. So that's the bottom line, not this side. So this one is a false. So you should be able to tell it whether it corresponds or not based on the naming of the triangle or based on flipping the triangle itself. Now it doesn't look like you can flip the triangle on your own. So if you want to take a screenshot and then flip it, you can do that. Or copy and paste which can't do. So just kidding. I was gonna say copy and paste the picture and see if you can flip it and have one of A and one of N. But it's okay. You can pretend to flip. You can take a piece of paper, draw A, B, C, and then flip it so M and O is flipped. It's all good. Yeah, P, Q, R, S. Okay, any questions? Feel free to message us. Let us know. And we'll be able to help you out.